Hi my friends, welcome back to our community. Today we are going to look at some of the most delicious street food in the world. Bangkok is an international city with some of the largest street food markets found in Asia. Local residents prepare authentic Thailand dishes for everyone to enjoy. You can find mouth-watering meat and vegetarian dishes throughout the markets. Each street food stall offers unique and delicious dishes to try. Street food stalls give big portions of food at reasonable prices. Everyone who eats street food in Bangkok will have an unforgettable memory forever. I hope you enjoy watching the rest of this video. Please remember to subscribe and like the video. Bye-bye.